Hey, Chef Dan here, and today we're going to be making a tomahawk steak on our Wolf Griddle, and we're going to finish it off in the oven. And you might be thinking, Wolf Griddle, that's sacrilege. It's a great piece of meat. Watch, find out, it's going to be fantastic. I'm starting with this beautiful tomahawk steak. We actually dry brined it the night before to get that salt and hold that moisture really well. Now we're going to generously season the outside with some rosemary, some thyme, garlic, and pepper and olive oil. And our little secret ingredient to keep it that California cool is we're gonna add a little lemon. That's gonna give it a really nice bright flavor and not make it feel too heavy. Now we're gonna sear it on this Wolf griddle. It's kind of crazy to think that you can sear something on a griddle, but the Wolf does such a great job of maintaining the heat and keeping the heat hot that we'll be able to get it nice and seared on both sides, and then we're gonna throw it in the oven to finish it off. We're using the oven at 350 degrees. Convection. That's going to give it a nice sear. It's not going to overcook the middle. We're going to take it out about 120, 125 and let it rest. So now I'm going to let it rest for about 10 minutes with some aluminum foil on top, and I'm going to slice it, take it off the bone, slice it against the grain, and serve it with a nice light salad. It's the perfect night meal. This is coastal cooking, coastal California cooking at its best. You can see we seared our steak off. It looks tremendous. It's got great flavor. It's exactly where we want it. We've got a little side salad. Of course, you know, the main part is the meat. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope we learned something. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day.